Hello everyone, Martin Tyler here, Alan Smith with me as usual. Welcome to you to today's game. So the game's underway here with Everton very much in sharp focus for this match. And today it's Everton against Newcastle United. Do you think we'll get some tempo to the game today? It's billed as a friendly.
Well, I hope so. I mean, if there's no tempo to it, Martin, it'll be a waste of time. So that's something the managers will be after.
You can see what he was trying to do. Oh, and they're on the counter-attack here. Well executed. Can go into the middle here from the cross. Tabai. Moving forward again. And Newcastle United. The attack breaks down. Fellaini. Pina. Fellaini. And in the middle, he's got some help. And this is quite sure it's a goal kick. Sylvain Distin. Gibson. And the attack coming now from Everton. Ah, he takes the shot. It was a shooting chance, and he skied it.
Well, you talk about missing, but he's missed by a mile there.
Well, that was a real waste.
Well, his teammates are giving him some stick out there, and no wonder either.
And that's out for a goal kick, and Newcastle will have it. And here's Cisse. They can bolster their defending here, maybe with an extra player or two back from further up the pitch. Well, he has a go. That was very brave defending, saved by the keeper. Pina. He can lay it off to the supporting play. Promising play. Fantastic try, and he's put it away beautifully. Bit of a gamble, really, to swing his foot at it, but a gamble that really... Chiote. Well, they're in a good position here. Good pass. Great opportunity. And here's the shot. Oh! Sylvain Distin. Pina. He's got another player up in support. He's had a good swing at that one. And they've scored again! That is his second goal of the game. They just can't contain him.
Well, good finish, no doubt, Martin. But what about the play before that? What about the passing? Wonderful team effort.
Well, that has made it 2-0. Chiote. Well, they've got the ball back. A quick break is on. This is the chance. Well, that'll be the keeper's ball. And that is a super interception. Osman. Now here's a chance for a counter-attack. Can they make anything of it? Osman. Fellaini. Chiote. For an interception, that's quite a vital one. Osman. That's really well done. Good defending. Great interception. Demba Ba. Sheikh Giote. In he goes with the challenge. Tabai. Flipped it over the opponent there. Clever. That's neatly done. Ball with the Everton player. Now he wants some support, and it's there on his left. Brilliant opening. This is Cisse. Well, if he gets a chance today, expect him to score. Hibbert. Distin. Hibbert. Osman. Well, it's a passing game, and that's a wonderful example of it. Problems for the defenders now. Well, it was a position of some peril to their goal, but the clearance has averted the danger. And the defender has done very well here, got his foot in. Osman. Might be able to find some space down the sides if they go wide here. And the defender saw the pass and dealt with it with a good interception. Tabai. Ben Arfa. They're passing it well here. Good ball. And it could be for Newcastle now. That's a good pass. And they've cut it out. First touch was good, but he's got to work hard to keep the ball. Wants to get at him, and he's got past it. Great chance. And that is now a goal kick. Gutierrez. Good ball. Oh, and they would have been in but for that vital stop. Osman. To Gibson. Santon. It will stop the attack, that. Just tried to lift it, didn't get it high enough. Fellaini. Philip Neville. Darren Gibson. Quick ball. And arriving to help him is a player on the left. Osman. Here he is with it, and he goes for goal. Absolutely no trouble for the goalkeeper. Well, the commentary gantry is amazing, because when Everton do well, particularly in a game where they're the underdogs, somehow it brings the best out of the Everton support. The ground shakes, and you just wonder whether you're going to be able to survive, but it creates something unique.
It does. I don't know what it is about the place. We were together when they played Manchester United. I think Duncan Ferguson got the winner towards the end. I thought the gantry was going to fall down, but...
He's made a clear chance for himself. Here's the shot. Well, he saved it. It's still in play. Cisse. Fellaini. Gutierrez. Keeps it going well. Defender on his toes. Fellaini. Well, the cavalry are arriving to help him. Oh, he's broken away. Got to be. He stopped the first shot. He takes the shot. It's bounced back into play from the bar. So they can regroup now at a goal kick. Distin. Hibbert. It's Phil Neville. Keeps it going. And he's met it with his head. Nearly. Here's a shot. Well, good chance, and he's missed the target. Well, this is how it is in terms of shots today. Fellaini. Baines. He's really whipped it into the middle. Good attacking play, but the clearance is equal to the task, really. Hibbert. And the referee is blown for half-time. It's 2-0 here. Fair reflection, the scoreline on the first half, Alan?
Yeah, I think they've been the better side, and when the chances have come up, they've been very clinical in taking them.
The referee has blown, and the second half is now in progress. Just lost out. Gibson. It's a good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking. Good pass. Osman. Wonderful interception. Well executed. They're passing it well here. Good defending. Phil Neville. And here's some support down the middle for him. Good ball. He's got space. He takes the shot. That's a very good goal. For Everton, it looks like a very famous victory for them today. They've played well.
Well, they couldn't have hoped for this kind of margin at this stage. Wonderful stuff for them.
Well, one team on top form, the other team in no form at all. Simpson makes a challenge here. Distin. Phil Jagielka. Hibbert. To Gibson. Distin. That's cut out. That's a good pass. So dangerous. He has to clear it. Gibson. And there's a player backing him up in the middle. Tabai. And that is a super interception. Pina. Neatly done, just lifted the ball there. Jagielka. To Gibson. Jagielka. Now Phil Neville. Distin. Gibson. Baines. Tremendous understanding from these players. Distin. He's cut it out, and he's cut out the danger. No mistake about that. Fellaini. He's got support through the middle. Cisse. Hibbert. Jagielka. Hibbert. To Gibson. Leighton Baines. Pina. Gibson. Hibbert. How's he cut that out? Wonderful play. Well, they've got the ball back. A quick break is on. And now a look at the possession to this point. Phil Jagielka. Osman. Fellaini. An easy shot. It's a shot on target. That will go down in the stats. Tiote. That's good work to keep the ball under the challenge. And it's good to watch the skill here with the back heel. Hibbert. That's another good pass, and he's not wasted many. Pina. And here's the help arriving on his right. Well, he has a go. Well, that is his so-called weaker foot. It did look weak then.
It did, and he was reluctant to let fly. He had to, though. It was his only choice, but I think a bit of work on the training ground wouldn't go amiss.
Leighton Baines. Jagielka. Philip Neville. Distin. Baines. Pina. He's cut it out well. Very much a game that has gone one way, and one-way traffic was not. I certainly did a lot of preparation thinking this would be tight, checking up drawn games between these two teams, and it's all irrelevant now. It's very one-sided.
Well, there have been a lot of mistakes, haven't there, from the losing team defensively, and they've just not turned up so far.
And Cisse. Intercepted the play, saw the pass coming. He's working hard to keep possession against the challenge. Clever change of direction there. Baines. Pina. Put in there by Leighton Baines. Very powerfully done. He's such an athletic defender, and he's got the ball away, and his teammates are applauding him for it. Quick ball. Well, the cavalry are arriving to help him. No, not this time, and the opposition come away with the ball. Great opportunity. And he drives for goal. The goalkeeper, Krul, has kept that out. Gutierrez. Good ball. That's a vital stop. Leighton Baines. And he read their minds. Brilliant defending in the circumstances. Ah, that's lovely. Back heel. Osman. That's neatly done. Fellaini. And he's getting a pat on the back for that, because that was brilliant defending in a difficult situation. Gutierrez. The pass not completed, really. Jagielka. Distin. Baines. Options available on the bench for the away side today. To Gibson. Pina. Gibson. Couple of options available. Good pass. Ball with the Everton player. And for an interception, that's quite a vital one. Tabai keeps it going well. Oh, what a vital stop. To Gibson. That's not the way to defend in that situation. It's the keeper who's sending out the message here.
They're doing as they're told as well, look at him.
Got in the way well, the defender. Distan. Good ball. Osman. Fellaini. Baines. Gutierrez. Sheikh Giote. It's a return ball. It's a good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking, promising play. That must have been very close. Flag up though. Substitutes have been warming up, and maybe there's going to be some changes. Well read by the defender to intercept. Well executed. And that's the opposition getting back on the ball after a promising attacking situation. And here's the shot. They're not just sitting back now, they're trying to widen the gap. Gosling. Pina. And he heads it for goal. And the header's a comfortable save, really, for the keeper.
Yeah, it was a poor effort from the striker and no trouble for the keeper.
The message has come from the goalkeeper, get forward! And there's the final whistle. It's a win for Everton. Well, the game is over, and in truth, it was quite disappointing, simply because it was so one-sided.
Well, it was, but you've got to admire the professionalism of the team in charge, because they kept the foot on the gas. They showed no mercy at all.